new setup. I'm on my new bed here, aka an air mattress, because all my stuff's packed away. Hello there, beautiful people out there. It's me again. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Tristan's 6-month update. Woo! You guys, can y'all believe he is 6 months already? Yes! Oh my gosh, he is so bouncy. Yay! Guess who? 6 months. Well, he's about to be 7 months, y'all. Oh my gosh, like, I feel like I have a lot to catch you guys up on, so I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible because I don't have much time on my memory card, but that's it. So yeah, so we're just going to share a few things that he's been doing, some new things, because this little boy has been growing pretty fast. Like, stuff that he's supposed to be hitting at 8-9 months, he's kind of already hitting it. So let's talk about it, shall we? So without any further ado, let's get it. So last month he had a running nose and he was a little bit under the weather, just a little bit. So I was a little concerned because it was more than 2 days. So I was like, okay, well, let me take him to the doctors. So at that point, of course, you know, they took his vitals and he was 16 pounds and 12 ounces. So he was already approaching 17 pounds at 5 months. Insane, right? So right now he should be approaching probably 20 pounds. He has an appointment this week, so I bet I would say he's like 18 pounds. I don't want to say 20 pounds just yet, but I would say he's about 18 right now, because if he was 16, 12 at that appointment, then he should be over 17 now. So in his next update video, I would definitely let you guys know. So now he's in a size 3 diapers. He still wears size 2 because of course they still fit him and we have a lot of size 2s left. But for the most part, size 3 fit him perfectly. After we're done with these size 2s, he's already at size 3. Like, he has to get size 3 diapers already. And it's crazy because with Maddie, she was in size 1 and 2 for a long time. Well, definitely 1 because she was born tiny, but he's already at 3 and he just hit 6 months. So, well, he didn't hit just 6 months, but you know, it's crazy to know that I have a 6-month-old already in size 3 diapers. We are still breastfeeding. Woohoo! Woohoo! Still going strong. And shout out to my girl Emerald. If you guys follow Emerald from The Rice Life, you guys know that she is a lactation consultant. So I was telling her about some issues that I was having, especially when I got my period back. I got my cycle back when I was like 3 months postpartum or whatnot, 2 or 3 months. And I noticed like not a major drastic drop in my breast milk, but like maybe like an ounce. And I've mentioned before how much he loves to eat. So I just felt like I wasn't providing enough milk for him or whatever. So I told her about it and she gave me some tips. She told me what I was doing wrong, like a good friend would. And when she said something that I was doing that was wrong, I was like, maybe you're right. So after I changed that, I was like, girl, oh my god, why didn't I ask you this before? Since then, I've had an increase in my milk. Like when I went to New York for a press trip, like, I mean, I was just pumping all the time because I was just getting full all the time, like crazy. Like, and I can show you a picture here of my supply. I was only gone for like less than 48 hours, and this is the supply that I was able to bring back. So after she told me that, I was like, oh my god, and I thanked her for it, because had it not been for her telling me that, I would have still been doing something wrong. So thank you, girl. He's eating solids now. He's not eating every day because he has his moments when he wants to eat all of his food, and then he has his days when he's just like, I don't want it, give me the nipple, I want to breastfeed. So I try not to force him to eat, you know, solids all the time, but I encourage it because I want him to start eating more solids. I want to put, you know, eggs and pancakes on a tray so he can eat it. I'm not trying to rush to give him like wholehearted solids and stuff like that, but he is eating pureed food. I do make my food, but since I've been packing and like it's just a lot going on, I'm moving and there's a lot of things going on, you know, the whole process and stuff like that, I've been giving him Gerber food, which is nothing wrong with that, especially the bananas, y'all. Like, even to this day, I will eat bananas because that's like their best food ever. Like, I love the bananas by Gerber, and he loves it too. He loves the apples, banana, and the cereal. He loves the chicken and veggies. So, you know, he likes that stuff. But once we settle into our new house, then I'll go back to making his foods and, you know, putting it in little ice trays just so that way we have a supply left. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I make homemade baby food, definitely let me know down below and I will do that for you guys. I am going to do it anyway, but if you're interested and you definitely want me to do it, let me know down below as well. So baby boy is scooching and he's about to start crawling. Like, he gets the concept. Like, he was crawling on both of his knees. Like, he did it twice. He was crawling, he got on his knees and he moved twice, and then after that he said bruh, and he just started scooching. So he's going to start crawling soon. Like, I would not be surprised, like, when we get to our new house and he's spread out, he'll probably start like crawling if he really had to. So y'all know I talk with my hands, like I just be like just throwing up gang signs. But so yeah, he's definitely gonna start crawling soon. He's standing up now by himself. Like, he'll get close to the couch, he'll stand up, or he'll grab my leg, he'll stand up. So he's standing up now. Like, of course he doesn't have a full balance, because once he gets that balance, he's gonna start walking, and I'm not ready for that just yet. But he can stand up by himself, like hold on to something, or hold on to my leg, or hold on to the table. So he's definitely doing that. He smiles at everybody, he laughs. He's just a big ball of joy. Like, he's just this beautiful, he's just such a beautiful boy joy of just happiness, and it's just amazing just to see how happy he is. He is a mama's boy. Like, he is a mama's boy, y'all. Like, I mean, it's so cute though, and I can't complain, because I know they say, some people say don't spoil your baby because they're going to be attached to you. Why would you not want that? Like, Maddie, she was attached to daddy, so I got to feel the attachment sometimes here and there, but she was attached to daddy even to this day. Y'all know she's a daddy's girl. Baby boy here, he like is so attached to me, and it makes me feel good. Of course Maddie is attached to me and she loves me, but there's nothing like a daddy's girl love, or a girl's love for their dad, you know what I'm saying? So with him, it's like I'm getting that, and I just like, I don't want to say I like spoiling him, but I just love just our bond. I love holding him. I love when he climbs to me. Like, the one time my in-laws had watched him, and as soon as I walked in the door, like, he left grandpa and he just started scooching towards the door towards me, and that just made me feel so good. So I don't care what y'all say, my baby boy gonna be spoiled, okay? Isn't that right? Yeah, that's right. So as far as sleeping through the night, it's not perfect. He sleeps for a good 5 hours, and then he wants to eat. I mentioned in my update, in the last update, that I was giving him formula for him to sleep through the night, and she mentioned that it's signaling my body, telling me that, okay, well, he's sleeping through the night, so you don't need this much milk, you know, to produce. So that was the issue with my milk decreasing, because he was sleeping through the night. So it was signaling my body, telling it that, oh, he's going these 7 hours without breastfeeding, so you don't need that much milk or whatever. So now I purposely try to get myself up. Of course he wakes me up because he gets hungry, but I purposefully do not let him go to sleep full, so that way we are nursing every 4 or 5 hours, so that way I'm keeping my supply up. It's going to decrease because it recognizes that you're not nursing or you're not pumping as much, so why do you need this much milk? So I was just like, that's it. So yes, I'm tired. Yes, I'm sleepy. Yes, it's hard to, you know, wake up out of your sleep to nurse, but it's so worth it, especially if you want to keep your supply up. So if you are in that situation and you notice a decrease, definitely just wake up in the middle of the night and nurse again. He's wearing 6 to 9 clothes now. He's getting 6-month clothes are about to be put away soon, because 9-month clothes fit him perfectly, and that's about it. Oh, and he has two, you guys notice that he has 2 teeth at the bottom. They already came in. He has 2 more coming in, y'all. I was holding him up like that, and he was smiling, and I saw it cutting through the gum. So he's gonna have 2 teeth at the top very, very soon. Like, they're there. Like, they're like just sitting, just waiting to come out. So baby boy is going to have 4 teeth before he turns 1. So y'all pray for my nipples, because I don't know about you, but breastfeeding when they have teeth, bro, it's not the funnest thing, but what to do, right? So other than that, I think that is it, you guys. So like I said, if you want me to do a video on showing you how to make homemade baby food, I will do that. I also want to do a baby haul, but like I said, everything's packed away. So once we settle and move to our new house, then everything will be a-okay. I'll have a new setting. I won't be on my air mattress anymore because it is going flat right now. And that is it, you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you aren't subscribed, before you head out this video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure that you tune in so that way you are notified every time I post a new video. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace. Say bye, beautiful people. Say bye. Oh, he's starting to wave too, you guys. I forgot to mention that. Yeah, say bye. Say bye-bye, beautiful people. Bye-bye. Bye. Peace. Cheese.